Good morning, children. Today we are learning our lesson number 9, that is safety rules. SAFETY, safety, RULES, rules, safety rules. So what are the safety rules? The things which keeps us safe, protect us from every harm, are known as the safety rules. So what are those rules? Let us learn. BEING, being, SAFE, safe, being safe. LOOK, look, AT, at, THE, the, PICT, URES, pictures, GIVEN, given, BELOW, below. Look at the pictures given below. AND, and, TALK, talk, ABOUT, about, WHAT, what, CAN, can, HAPPEN, happen, in, EACH, each, CASC, case. Look at the pictures given below and talk about what can happen in each case. So what's going on here? In the first one, you can see that the boy is riding a bicycle and suddenly a car stopped him. Shriek. So here suddenly you applied a brake as well as the man in the car also applied a brake. So here, if you won't follow the safety rules, we have the signals in our area, isn't it? Whenever you are going on a highway, we have the signals. We have the 3 lights onto that signal to follow that. To stop for some time till the others are passing the way, isn't it? On the roads. So if you get a red light, you need to stop. Then your opposite person or the beside way, the people goes. Then once you get your green light, then you have to change your direction. Yes or no? But here, the boy or the man in the car, both did not listen and they overruled the safety rules and they crossed the way, because of which they met with the sudden situation. It's good that nothing has happened to them, but this is the situation. If they won't apply both brake at the same time, the accident would have occurred. If the accident would have occurred, it caused many problems. Either the boy may fell down, his hands or legs might broken, or he might have any severe injury. Here it's not the means that the man in the car is safe. His car might totally damaged. As he is driving the car, he might also face severe injury. So to protect us from the harm, we should follow some rules. So those are known as safety rules. So in the second picture, what is it? A boy is sitting on a rock and the girl is moving from there. So what has happened? Unknowingly she is crossing the way, but the boy thrown a peel of banana. The cover of banana is known as a peel. Not only of banana, the upper portion of any fruit is known as peel. As the boy has thrown it, If the girl unknowingly walks on it, she may slip. This is the mistake of the boy, that he ate banana and thrown the peel of banana in the midway. In the middle way is known as the midway. And she should also look all around her while crossing every way. While moving from one place to another place, we should see everything. What you children mostly do, that eat food means you might be watching cartoons, playing games in mobiles and eating food. Suppose if you don't have the proper concentration, you won't get the proper energy from the food whatever we are eating. So put proper concentration on the work whatever we are doing to avoid harm to ourselves. Hope that everyone understood. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.